You want to consider skipping this video if you have made your first 10,000 US dollars trading in the binary options market, because this video is for complete beginners. This video is for people who are struggling with trying to find the system, people who are asking questions like how do they get started and what are the things that they need to put together to be able to be profitable trade the binary options market effortlessly. So if you fall in this category, if you are a struggling trader, you are a beginner trader, you are looking for how to get started, how to navigate the binary options market, then you want to watch the video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be breaking down a step-by-step guide on how to trade, how to find some of this trading setup on the chart, how to execute them, how to draw your key levels and everything you need. So you do it to watch the entire video, and do it to also give the video a thumbs up if you find any value in this video. Don't forget to also subscribe, turn on the bell icon if you are new here. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So on the chart you can see this is the Euro US dollar chart, and I'm going to be explaining to you also my previous trades, and I'm going to break it down everything, how and why I took this trade. So this is the 1 minute time frame. You can see over here that the price is much like a very strong uptrend, because we can see that the market is creating higher lows and higher highs, and this for me is a very strong uptrend. So if the price is moving in a strong uptrend like this, the next we want to wait for is some proper pullbacks. We need to have the price resting down, because those are the areas where we consider to be the brightest opportunities to be able to enter a trade, because you don't want to be buying when the price is too expensive. So you want to wait for the price to get a little bit cheaper before we want to buy. So you can see that this is a previous low, because this is a new high now, because this is a previous low, and the price moved sharply in favor of the buyers and created this new high, and the price created this new high, and it started to fall down a little bit, and you can see that the price is creating was kind of a rangy one over here, and we can see that though this is not a clear minor downtrend yet, but let's see what happens in the future. You can see that the price kept rising up, and then this is now a break of the structure, because on this minor scale you can see now that this is the previous low. Let's say this is on the minor scale. Now this is the previous low, and the price have came down and broke this previous low over here, this higher low. So we can say that the price structure might be changing, because that's exactly what we are actually going to be waiting for. So the price kept moving around this level, and then we will see what happens, because since we are having the price move like this, we want to have a breakout, and the breakout is going to be our entry. So if you spot the market consolidating over here, the next thing you want to do is to draw some of your key levels, because now you can have in the price repeating the same level multiple times. So on this type of market condition, we want to draw a horizontal level, and we can include it over here in the price, which for me you can see that this level has been respected 2 times in the past. The price came over here, came up, created this new high, fell down, rose again, and respected this same level again, and you can see it came down, and we want to wait for a breakout from this previous level. Sometimes it may take longer, other times it doesn't take that long. So you can see that this is a strong buyer's entry that had now rose all the way from these previous levels of this consolidation, and it has closed above this previous level. So this is going to be our entry. This was actually my entry trigger on this very trade, and you can see that when the price broke this level, the price would rise up again and create a new high. So you can see that this is a very nice win, because if you enter the trade over here, you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5. This would have been a very this was a very wonderful win for me. So this was the first setup that I would want to share with you. The next setup came a few minutes later. The price came down again, and then it starts to consolidate again for a bit. You can see that this is again a new high, you can see over here, and the price fell down to create this new low, which is also a previous resistance level, which the price is now using as a support. Now if you find a break of structure, you will want to agree with me that the price always use the structures to climb, which means now this is a previous resistance level. The price broke it. Now it's going to use it again as a support. The price came over here. Now it is respecting it for the first time. It rose again, created a lower high, and then it's going to come back again to try to respect it. Sometimes it may break it, but the price is now trying to also respect it. Now, paying attention to this minor scale, you can also see that it is a minor retracement phase. So the next thing we want to do is to draw a trend line connecting these levels together, connecting all the lower highs together. And you all know how I trade this. If you have been following the channel for a time, you will understand that I do trade breakout either on the trend level or on the horizontal level. So this is now a trend line that I've applied, connecting two areas of the price. If connecting more areas, the more areas you're able to connect, the stronger the retracement phase. So if we move further, you will see that the price came and it broke this trend line with this very candle, and this was my entry with this trade. You can see that when the price broke this level, the price rose in favor of the buyers again. So this is how to trade this setup if you find them, and I have made countless videos about these trading strategies, and I do make sure that I explain everything to the best of your understanding, just so you can learn and apply. The first setup was very easy. It just requires you or the ability to be able to spot these patterns in the price, and you have to do your best to draw your key levels. Those levels are also very, very important. Now, drawing trend lines and drawing horizontal levels are what you need to use to replace indicators, because a lot of you are focused on using indicators and you don't want to learn, we are not focusing on how to learn proper price action. Now, using your trend lines and using your horizontal level are what you are supposed to use to replace indicators, because those are the tools that will set you and that will make you to understand what's going on, so you don't miss out on any of this trade. So this was a flag formation, you can see over here, and this was also a flag formation, because you can see that this is a stick and this is the flag. You can see on the second setup, this was also the stick and this was also the flag. So I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you decide to trade. If you find any value in this video, do well to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, do well to drop them on the comment section. I'm very good at replying to comments on the comment section. So I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same when you want to trade. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the bell icon, just so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading session. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you again next time. But then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.